Hello guys, welcome to Amit Things. In this video we will see how we can easily download and install VirtualBox on Windows 10 and Windows 11. So this video works for both Windows 10 and Windows 11. So at first go to the web browser. I am using Chrome, you can use any browser. Here and type VirtualBox. Press enter. On pressing enter, the official website is visible, that is Oracle VirtualBox, virtualbox.org. Click on it. Here it is. Download VirtualBox 6.1, click on it. After clicking, it is showing us the VirtualBox for Windows, Mac, Linux and Solaris. We want for Windows, so I'll click on it. Now the download started, it's only 104 MB. Let's wait for a few seconds. Double click on it to install, minimize this. So the setup started, click on next. After clicking next, herein the custom setup is visible. Keep the default, it will only take 218 MB. The location will be the following, all the VirtualBox files will get saved here. If you want to change it, click on browse, but keep the default, click on next. Keep the default, this will create a shortcut. This will also create a shortcut in quick launch bar. Click on next. Now click on yes to install. Click on install to actually begin the installation. So the setup started. So here you can see we have completed it. I'll click on finish and it will automatically start. You can also start it from the desktop shortcut. You can also click the start button on keyboard and herein type VirtualBox and here it is. You can click on open. So I'll directly click finish and it will automatically open it. So guys, in this video we saw how we can easily download and install VirtualBox on Windows 10 and Windows 11. Thank you for watching the video.